What if the reason you don't get the results you want to get isn't about skills, but how you show up every day? Allow me to share something with you that Karin and I regularly do. Every first Tuesday of the month, we run a 5-kilometer race. And how we approach this makes all the difference. We show up engaged and committed to be the best we can possibly be. And when the race is over, we are fully energized. You may ask yourself, how is this related to work? Especially if you don't like running. Well, Karin, why don't you shed some light on this?
Listen, I totally get it. Not everybody is into running, and that's totally okay. But you gotta find something that gives you positive energy for the day. Whatever it is, it really matters how you walk through the door in the morning. I think the most overlooked things in the corporate world are attitude, effort, and progress.
So Karin, why don't you give us one tip on how everybody should get started?
One tip would be, if you are like most people, you are very focused on your to-do list. Be intentional how you show up at work. Focus more on how to be rather than what you have to do. What does this mean? So for example, you could say, today I want to be more patient, because I'm sure your patience is tested very often. Or you say, today I want to put real effort into building rapport with someone. So this is really what it is all about.
So attitude matters a lot. And the best part is that it's 100% under your control. This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.